Welcome to the second part of lesson 4.1, where we go over one other example of another application of rates of change. So in this problem, we're given this graph right here. If we look at this graph, it looks like our y-axis is measured in 0.2, and this is a measurement of the rate of rainfall in inches per hour. Now, one way to think about this, if this is measuring a rate, then this is measuring velocity, or f prime. Meanwhile, our x-axis is measuring time. So the first thing it asks us is to write a complete sentence explaining what point A means in this context. So at point A, this is going to be 3 hours after midnight. So we can say, at 3 a.m., what is happening? So let's see. The rate of rainfall is 1 inch per hour. That's what's happening at point A. The rate of rainfall is 1 inch per hour. Now it says, what is the slope of the graph between points A and B? Well, that's pretty easy. That slope is 0, horizontal. Now we need to explain what this means. So if we're going between points A and B, then that looks like that is between 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. And now we just need to talk about what's going on during this time. So we could say between this time, the rate of rainfall, is it increasing during this time? Is the rate of rainfall decreasing, or is the rate of rainfall remaining constant? Well, it looks like the rate of rainfall is remaining constant. So we can say between 3 a.m. and 4 a.m., the rate of rainfall remains constant. Or we could just say, let's say, is constant. The rate of rainfall is constant. Okay. Let me make sure I'm doing everything fine. Okay. 6. What is the slope between points B and C? Be careful on this one. That looks like 5 boxes, but it's really only 1 because of your decimals, and 1. So it looks like we're falling 1, running 1 inch per hour squared. Now let's talk about what it means. So this is between 4 a.m. and 5 a.m. This time, the rate of rainfall is decreasing. And we can even say it's decreasing at a rate of 1 inch per hour squared. Now, I don't need to say negative 1 inch per hour squared. I don't need to have that negative there because I say it's decreasing. So the decreasing shows that it should be negative. And that should be it. So you should be able to begin on the evens on your homework now.